We are taking today's questions from UI and UNN. All right, let's start with UNN, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Okay, the first one we have here is on consonant sounds. And the first one is vision. The word vision, the S in vision is underlined. All right, and now how do you pronounce this word vision? Do not pronounce it as vision. All right, it's not vision, it's vision. The man saw a vision. The man saw a vision, not the man saw a vision. All right, so it's vision. That's the right pronunciation. The S in vision is pronounced J. All right, and now your question will be, and does it mean that every word that ends with SION should have the J sound in the position of S? Okay, that this S will be pronounced as J and not as Sh. Is that what I am saying? No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that there are some words that contain the G sound in the position of S in words that end with SION, and there are some words that contain the Sh sound in words that end with SION. All right. So how do you know which word should you pronounce the S as G and which word should you pronounce the S as G? Now this is a trick. What you're going to do is to look at the letter that is before the SION. If the letter that is before the SION is a vowel letter, vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. If the letter that is before the SION is a vowel letter, you're going to pronounce the S as J. So the word is decision. The word is erosion, not erosion. So just look at the letter that is before the SION. If it's a vowel letter, is going to have the J sound. The S is going to have the J sound. And if is a consonant letter, if you have a consonant letter before the SION, the S is going to have the sh sound. So that's the trick. That's how to know how to pronounce the S. If the S is prefaced by a vowel letter, okay, we're going to pronounce the S in SION as J. Is that understood? So that is it. That's how to identify the right sound for words that end with SION. Okay, let's say the word mansion, okay, the S is pronounced as sh because N prefaces S in the word. The word mission has S before SION, so the S is pronounced sh. All right, so just look at the letter. Just look at the letter that is before the SION. Okay, if it's vowel, the S is pronounced J, the sound, and if it's consonant, the S is pronounced sh, the sound. All right, so that's just how to identify it. Okay, all right, I already mentioned this word. All right, now we have vision. All right, so let's look at the first one. We have mention. I already mentioned it. Okay, junior explanation. Mention has sh sound in SION. All right, profession. Should it have J or sh? Tell me. Should it have sh or J? Of course, it should have sh because before it you have S. Okay, session. Should it have sh or J? It should have sh because of the S that prefaces and the S in SION at the end. Precision because we have I before S. All right, so option D is correct. This is the next one.